Hey, welcome back to the silky smooth tones and jazz of another day, another vlog. Ooh, yeah, a little bit of jazz edition tonight. Saturday evening. Hope you're having a good day today. Yeah, Saturday weekend's fantastic. Friends, family, a few drinks, nasty hangovers. Feel a little sorry for yourself the next day. What more could you want? Anyways, let's get into it. There's a little bit in here. Trump, not really much info. I only had the stuff Friday, so we'll probably see more on Monday when that happens. So, yosh. Bear with me 2 seconds. Yeah, so there's a bit there. We'll go into the iPhone. Concept rumors floating around. It's a slider concept. So basically you've got your phone and it'll have a back screen on the back. It'll go left and it'll go right. If you go right, it'll give you camera controls. If you go left, you'll get a keyboard so you can sit there and type. I guess like the old, I can't even remember the name of the sliders. The kids loved them, early 2000s. Pretty terrible phones. They didn't last long. I don't know why Apple's looking at it. I don't think it'll work. It's going to obviously be a lot thicker, so more weight, and really zero benefit because they're already monster screens compared to what the old ones used to be. They used to be a little screen, so a keyboard was sort of good. The little keyboard used to slide out. But it's looked pretty well done, the render and the concept of it, but I just don't. Who knows, it'll probably go out and sell a heap. But it is out there, and I'll try and get a picture and chuck on the thumbnail. You've probably already seen that already, so you can check that out there, but it is floating around. If you were one of those people that enjoyed those when they come out, this might be a chance to get another one of those. Minecraft, big news. Minecraft, that they've released an app for your phone, uses all the new VR technology in these new high-level phones. If you remember Pokemon Go from a couple of years ago, go and chase them all and capture them all. People walk around and walking in the poles and trees and stuff, and trying to get stuff in parks and having punch-ups. Well, Minecraft's done the same thing. You can build your own fort in the backyard of your house. You can collect stuff while you're going to school or whatever. This one I think will be big. The kids will definitely be on that. Minecraft's had a big resurgence since PewDiePie jumped back on the system. So I would imagine that it's going to make a packet for the app creators and going to be a huge thing. So be aware if you see kids walking around just following their phone, they're probably playing Minecraft. So yeah, something different. And if you're into Minecraft, I'd say something you need to look at the App Store. For that one, that will be big. Right, now we've all looked at the drone cars and stuff that's been coming around. There's drones where people get on these drones and coming out. Well, there's now a battery-styled motorbike. If you can all remember Return to the Jedi on Endor with the, what do they call them? I can't remember the name of them. The hover bikes. Basically, it looks like that with a rider on there. It's going to be able to fly. They want to build it. This company's definitely do it. They've got some big backers behind them. It's going to be a battery-based flying motorcycle. The only thing I thought about it sounded really good until you fall off. I'm assuming everyone's going to have to wear a parachute, and depending on what height, how long till it crashes, and then what happens to the bike if you've fallen off the bike. Does it keep going, or does it just sit there and hover until it gets a flat battery and then falls down and kills someone? So yeah, there's a little bit to go in that one. I don't think that's going to be, that's probably a 10-year program, if not 20 years. But yeah, they're definitely into it. It's happening. I'll try and get the photo of that and the company some more information and chuck it in the notes down below. Looked pretty wild and very scary. I'm scared of heights, so there's no way you'd get me on that. Absolute crazy. Be bad enough when they're in cars with no blades. It's scary enough on a plane. And Sony. Sony's come out. Well, not come out. It's been out for a little bit. The Reality 360 audio system that they've had out for a while. Basically, it comes in, you can map your ears, so it defines, when you put your headphones on, this app will then map your ears, so it'll take a photo of your ears, get the shape of your ears. I've got some big ears, so they'll probably have a bit of trouble with that. And then it basically spatially sets the music up 360 degrees around you, so above, below, front, back, side, left, all that. We get it, I guess, in the movies. You get your surround sound. We talk about surround sound. Well, that's sort of linear surround. Well, now 360 is vertical and below as well. So very cool. It's coming out though. It releases probably, they say, in fall, so that's around March, April, May 2020. Looks pretty good. Apparently sounds good. Farrell's got onto it, so there's a heap of music guys got in and creating music to suit the system. If it takes off, I guess it'll be another way you can listen to your music. Sony, always renowned for high quality audio. They've got some fantastic headphones. Justine had it on, and she had the sound noise cancelling headphones with them on, and she was super impressed by it. So I think it'll go pretty well. And I think when you do get those really good when you go to the movies and you get that really good surround sound system and get the special effects and stuff coming from the left and right, bang, and the crashes and the wind and stuff, it can make a big difference and to the movie. So I guess if you're in a music mode, it may allow you to feel like you're in a concert as such. So that side I think will be really, really cool. Definitely one to look for and interesting. And I'm not sure if you've got to buy special headphones for it as such. From what I looked on the Sony website, it looked like you could just use standard websites. It's more so all in the app for your phone. And that basically, it just takes a photo of your ear, works out the angles and dangles of the ear, and then sets the music up to suit. And there's some sort of software that all the music producers get, so they can redo their songs how they want to set it up. So where they want the guitars here, the drums over there, the piano at the back, sort of thing. So definitely something different. And that's about it. A pretty quiet night actually. Silky smooth, a little bit of jazz playing, smoko time, have a feed, flat out at the start of shift. Boys got pumped, so they'll be looking forward to a quick feed too. And then we'll be into the rest of the night, and that's the weekend half done. Anyways, that's it, I think. Not much else. If you hadn't had a chance, I'll remind you again, don't forget, we've got the merch up on Teespring. Link will be down below. Check that out. Coffee mug or something. Christmas is coming up. Good time to get something for your family and friends. Promote the Another Day, Another Vlog for us. That'd be much appreciated. And again, all funds will go back in so I can get you some more reviews and tech and stuff and all the things that I hope you're enjoying. Thanks to you guys out there. I hope you've had a good day and having a good weekend. And we'll see you all again tomorrow. So wherever you're coming, going, or staying, see you soon. Ciao.